Welcome back to the Hilltop Project. In this episode, the family has stacked and poured their basement walls and are now ready to form and pour the ground concrete slab floor. The first step is adding fill dirt, then compacting by vibrating the soil to create a solid, level building surface. Next, gravel is laid out and a similar process is used to level out the surface once again. For this project, the team needs to install footings for posts. These footings will create a strong base for the posts to carry the loads from above. The builders mark the placement of the footings and set the molds in place.
Careful digging.
The builders are also using a French drain system for the interior of this building. The area along the interior of the wall is cleared away, soil fabric is laid out, drainage pipe placed, and then covered with gravel. This process is repeated all the way around the interior of the house. Any water that makes it to the bottom of the wall will be carried away to a daylight drain or sump. Once the gravel has been placed and leveled, the team is ready to install their under-slab insulation. The insulation is rolled out and connected together via a built-in sticky adhesive. This insulation will help keep the poured concrete floor a more stable temperature and also provides protection from ground moisture. Sleeves for penetration such as natural gas, plumbing, electrical, and telecommunications are placed and installed as needed. Next, the builders install a grid of hog wire to act as reinforcement for the concrete, as well as a place to tie down tubing for the radiant heat flooring system. The builders bring the tubing together to the central manifold for the radiant heat floor system. The system will be pressurized before the pour, making sure no leaks are detected and no damage occurs while pouring and leveling concrete. Now, they are ready to begin the pour. Concrete is poured at a steady pace and spread across the foundation surface. Concrete workers then work screeding the concrete smooth and leveling the slab floor. They ensure there are no voids, dips, or other damage before it hardens into their solid foundation. Next time on the Hilltop Project, see the builders easily install shoring support for their BuildDeck ICF floor. If you would like to see more of the project or more BuildBlock content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on our notifications with the bell icon.